Hey everybody, Zoo Dude here with another behind the scenes video here at the Memphis Zoo as we continue to bring the zoo to you. All right, today we have a fan favorite. We're gonna meet Ginny, the yellow-casqued hornbill who loves her visitors. All right, let's go inside and meet Ginny. All right, meet Sierra, bird keeper and keeper of many species. Also meet Ginny, the yellow-casqued hornbill. So Sierra, let's talk about hornbills.
Yes.
All right, so you've worked with many species, birds, bears, all kinds of stuff. So tell me a little bit about what it's like to work with hornbills.
Hornbills are an interesting species because they're super smart. They're somewhat social in nature. They hang out in small groups, usually adult male and adult female, with a few immature juvenile birds as well. But they're very vocal, very intelligent, so that it allows us to be a little bit more liberal with our enrichment. We can give these guys puzzle boxes, things to forage for. If you've seen other institutions that house hornbills, they're able to give them boxes and different kinds of toys that a lot of our primates might enjoy as well.
Okay, so I've been to a lot of zoos, I've seen a lot of birds and a lot of hornbills, but I've never seen one quite like Ginny.
And you might not.
Okay, why is that?
So there's actually only 3 of her species here in the United States. San Diego Wildlife Animal Park is the only other institution besides the Memphis Zoo that has this particular species. And we actually have both individuals, male and female. These guys are brother and sister duo, but you might see that these guys are a little bit different in appearance as well.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about Ginny and her brother. What do they eat?
So these guys are kind of omnivores. They eat a little bit of insects, they eat a lot of fruit. So out in the wild, they're foraging on oil palms and eating the fruits off of those oil palms.
So a lot of our animals, as we're discovering through these behind the scenes tours, are involved in some sort of training program. Mm-hmm. Is Ginny one of those animals?
She is, and so with our training program that we do with her, you might see that our big flight is very large. And to reduce the stress in terms of animal maintenance, we want them to come down to us so we can get a good look at them. And that includes perching for us at particular spots so we can get a look at her body condition, hopefully grab a weight on her. So our keepers have been working with her to station. So you might see our keepers in this aviary and we might be more focused on the bird than our guests at that time, but we'll be working with her to either station on a platform or a perch. So usually with weights that we try to grab on our animals, it's a really good indicator if there's something medically wrong with our animals. So if they drop dramatically in weight, we know something's wrong and we can crate them up and send them down to our hospital for our vet staff to get a good look at them.
Just another animal where a ton of work goes into her just to make sure she's not stressed and so that we can medically check her when necessary, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's fantastic. Sierra, well, thank you for what you do and thank you for taking a moment of your time to educate us about hornbills. Ginny had a whole lot to say. Thanks to Sierra and her team for the incredible care that they bring to our birds here at the Memphis Zoo. All right, that's it for today's behind the scenes tour. If you would, continue to follow our social media channels as we continue to bring the zoo to you.